Hi, my name is Dariia. I'm product marketer at Nakisa, and today I want to walk you through how to aid operating cost in Nakisa Real Estate. If your company leases or owns multiple retail stores, offices, warehouses, or any industrial real estate assets, you might be interested in getting commercial real estate software because it automates and streamlines your real estate portfolio management. And Nakisa Real Estate is one of the best options on the market. Today, I will focus only on a simple feature, which is adding operating cost for the whole location. It is actually the first step of our automated CAM reconciliation at the year end, and I will focus on that more in my next video. But today, let's speak mostly about how to add operating costs. If you're using Nakisa, you will have a dedicated page for each location with all the crucial information details here and even the photo here if you need. And in the tab of operating costs, you can see some historical data, for example, for 2023 and 2024, with amounts in Canadian dollars because we are located in Montreal, Quebec, and with the variances year by year. To add a new year, you just need to click on the plus, and then you can select status if the year is still in progress and you haven't received all the invoices from your landlord. You can go ahead and click in the progress. If you have all the invoices already and the year has been finalized, just go ahead and click on the finalized status. For now, I will click as in progress. Then I can add any common area maintenance expense types, for example, building maintenance. Let's say it costs us already 600 Canadian dollars. For cleaning, it costed us already 750. And for snow removal, it costed us already 300. You can also add utilities, for example, electricity, let's say 1,000, and water for 400. Once you finished adding all the expenses here, just click on the save, and you will see this data in the system, in the table. Year by year, you can compare them. But what's even better is that the system will utilize these expenses to calculate your CAM reconciliation based on the terms and conditions you entered in your lease, as is your lease agreement. So I will show you more in the next video about how to reconcile your common area maintenance expenses automatically with Nakisa Real Estate. Stay tuned. I hope it was really helpful for you, and talk to you in my next videos.